Good afternoon, everyone. Our group number is 21, and today we will be presenting on a topic that's highly relevant in today's global economy, the impact of globalization on adoption of lean production, specifically in the DHL group. I'll begin by briefly discussing globalization in supply chain management, followed by a review of lean production, and then explore how these two forces intersect in the operations of DHL. Next slide, please. The impact of globalization on supply chain management. Let me start by discussing the impact of globalization on supply chain management. As global markets have become more interconnected, supply chains have undergone major transformations. According to Sudarshan 2025, globalization has driven efficiency and market expansion while also fostering a complex network of suppliers. Key outcomes of globalization include increased market opportunities, improved cost optimization, and rapid adoption of technologies and innovations. However, it also brings challenges such as supply chain risk and then need to meet cultural and ethical standards of across region. Overall, globalization has made logistics more integrated but also more complex, pushing companies like DHL to innovate and adopt leaner like practices. Next slide, please. The aim of the presentation. So the aim of this presentation is to evaluate how globalization has influenced the adoption of lean production, specifically in the DHL group. As a global logistic giant, DHL operates across many countries and has been heavily impacted by the challenges and opportunity globalization brings. Through this presentation, I will analyze how DHL leverages lean production to remain competitive and efficient in a global environment. Next slide, please, bro. Critical review of lean production definition. Lean production is essentially a strategy focused on continuous improvement by identifying and eliminating waste or non-value adding activities. DVD 2013 emphasizes that this is achieved through regular customer feedback and ongoing process evaluation. So, according to Vikramasinghe and Vikramasinghe 2017, lean waste includes overproduction, inappropriate processing, excess inventory, wasting time, and defects. It also covers unnecessary movements of materials, environmental waste, and unutilized of facilities. The visuals on the right shows the seven waste concept, highlighting how lean production aim to reduce costs while improving efficiency. This methodology is highly relevant for companies like DHL, where logistic and speed are critical to performance. Next slide, please, bro. Next slide, please. So, critical review of lean production history. Lean production started in manufacturing but now has extended to services like healthcare and hospitality. It works on five key principles: understanding what customer value, mapping and improving the value stream, ensuring smooth processes, empowering clients, and always aiming for excellence. The Toyota production system is a classic example that illustrates these principles in action. Next followed by Priyan. Thank you. Priyan, bro.
Next slide. Here, the impact of globalization on lean service. Globalization has promoted the adaptation of lean principles into the global service industries by increasing competitive pressure and emphasizing the need for consistency, sustainability, efficiency, and high customer value in the service offered by the companies. Lean service system is reported to have a positive impact on post service in India. The popularity of LM became so high during the 1990s, the service sector started to use a lean method is known as lean service. The lean service mainly involves integrating lean thinking into the service process and removing the processes that are not contributing to any progress in the customer service. Lean management has resulted in significant service improvement in healthcare sector by improving the waiting times and lengths of stay at hospital. Next slide. Here in the introduction to the DHL Group. DHL Group is a major logistics company across the world that operates more than 220 countries and territories with revenue of around 84 billion in 2024. Currently, it offers a comprehensive range of services, including express delivery, parcel, freight, transport, e-commerce logistics solution, and SEM service. The supply chain division of DHL include transport, warehousing, and value-added services. These services were developed in a manner to minimize the complexity and promote the sustainable SCM solution. The company faces challenges in not only managing operational standards, but also meeting the carbon emission goals set by the organization while offering an integrated logistics solution to customers. Next slide by Somu.
We are going to see lean adoption of DHL Group. Beyond the Lean Six Sigma, the Six Sigma principle focus on the enhancing business process by combining the strength of both Lean and Six Sigma methodologies. Lean Six Sigma aim to improve the efficiency, reduce the waste, and minimizing the defect. Ultimate delivery greater value of a customer. The desire to optimize the supply chain with the technology and data, reduce the waste, and improving the service in the key indicators of lean principle being the application of DHL. In the fast environment era of logistic efficiency, speed, and adaptability, DHL resigned the need to adapt the lean to align methodology, not only the improving delivery speed, optimizing the efficiency, but also meet the customer expenses and handling the supply chain complex across the international borders. Next slide, please. Lean impact of DHL Group environment. The DHL Group lean principle in its warehouse operations to streamline key process and to reduce the waste and enhance the workflow. And this has been done by improving this just-in-time inventory management system. It ensures the operations inventory level to reduce the large amount of stock being the stock in warehouse and reducing the waste from overstocking and the time spent by the employee in the warehouse. Just-in-time future reducing the cost of inventory holding such as the security, insurance, and potential loss of damage. Next slide, please. In this, minimum inventory allows to the business to adapt the new market trends, quality, and brand new products and adjust product level without the risk of excessing stock. Enable to frame the leverage emergency of operations. First choice can be considering the specific lean interpreted by DHL improve the logistic process and manage the quantity of enhancing the customer experience. On the other hand, the lean program Go Green attempted to enhance the climate-friendly behavior culture to reduce the carbon footprint and improving the sustainability. And lean, the advantages of the adaptive lean production of the DHL Group offers several advantages that align with the company global logistics supply chain and operations. And here are the key benefits. Improve the operations and efficiency. It's reduce the waste and a seamless process and faster delivery time, and also cost reduced. There's lower operation cost and inventory optimization, and the high customer satisfaction, improve the service quality and the time delivery, and enhancing the employment, inventory, and production, empower the workforce and training and development, and the great agility and flexibility. It's fast, responsible for marketing challenge and customize the capability, strong global competitivity, sustainability across the sites, better to use the global resource, sustainability and environment benefits, reduce the carbon footprints and support the Go Green strategies. Thank you.
Next slide,
Next slide, take over Shiva.
Yeah, now we'll discuss about best strategy for lean implementation in DHL. Process alteration and technology. The business model centers around offering customized logistics solutions to customers. Lean principles ensures the value chain is redesigned based on a global standard, ensure seamless coordination across diverse logistics and transport services with the help of AI-based tracking systems and real-time data analytics. And coming to leadership, lean principles are followed in daily operations for long-term growth. Lean leaders can ensure company profit while simultaneously improving customer value by developing KPIs and ensuring cross-function coordination between diverse teams. And culture development. The success of lean management relies upon knowledge and a receptive culture. Employees having a clear understanding of how lean works and take an active part in promoting lean services. By training staff, lean knowledge and culture can be developed. And moving on to the next slide. Lean implementation issues observed in DHL. Resistance from employees, a lack of ownership or management commitment due to the misalignment of global teams, a lack of resources, a slow pace of change problematic for the organization. And we can see in this chat, prioritize the LM implementation challenges. First, we move on to the management. Lack of management succession plan, lack of management support, and lack of strategic plan. And coming to technical knowledge, non-value adding process, poor stepping problem solving competencies, and lack of standardized process, ineffective data collection and method, and lack of KPIs. And coming to employee resistance to change, lack of sharing or spreading the success, role constraints in union environment, and lack of understanding the implementation roles. And coming to culture, developing a sustainable culture, commitment to system approach, leadership support to the system culture approach. Moving on to the next slide. Mitigation strategies to manage lean implementation issues in DHL. A proactive risk detection and management process, ensure employee communication and engagement, implement cultural sensitivity training to prioritize culture change, introduce pilot testing and feedback loops. As we can see in this image, challenges of lean manufacturing and solutions for success. The first point is lean misconception, building a strong lean structure and leadership inconsistency, developing leadership engagement, and coming to lean strategy misalignment, develop goal alignment strategy, team collaboration breakdown, regular lean planning meetings, and coming to training gap issues, training and mentorship programs, customer value oversight, customer centric initiatives, overlooking maintenance, preventive maintenance strategy, and technology over dependence, lean automation readiness. And moving on to the next slide. Conclusion. The largest logistics service provided in the country, DHL can gain a significant competitive advantage. The company can appropriately utilize lean principles under globalization. Companies are facing pressure to streamline fleet process, to reduce waste and enhance workflow while maintaining consistency, sustainability, efficiency, and high customer value. DHL has initiated lean principles in the form of JAT, First Choice, and Go Green, likely to gain more advantage by redesigning value chain based on global standard to ensure seamless coordination across diverse logistics and transport services using AI-based tracking systems and real-time data analytics, leading by a lean leader and receptive culture. And these are the references we have taken. And thank you so much for giving this great opportunity.
Thank you.